Hi students, this is Arya. Welcome back to Arshida's Edu World. Here we are going to learn about the principles of mathematical induction for class plus 1. Okay, let us start. Yes. In this chapter we are going to learn the mathematical reasoning. One key basic rule of mathematical thinking is deductive reasoning. Deduction is application of general case into a particular case. For example, if the sum of positive integers are there, we believed that to find out the sum of the positive integers up to n, the equation will be n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Right? In this chapter, we are going to prove this type of formulas. Okay? Principles of mathematical induction can be written as P of n. If the given values in terms of n, we are going to write the P of as P of n. Here n is the values. Okay. N will be written as n equal to 1, n equal to k, n equal to k plus 1. If n equal to 1, we have to prove that P of 1 is true. If n equal to k, P of k is, we have to prove that P of k is true. If n equal to k plus 1, then P of k plus 1 is true. If a question given as prove that something is equal to something, that means prove that 1 square this number is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. We have to prove that. How we can prove? That means just we have to apply n equal to 1, n equal to k, n equal to k plus 1 and the corresponding p of value is true. So before that we should consider this equation as p of n. P of n is equal to, we can write this equation, and next step we have to apply n equal to 1 and find out P of 1 is true. P of 1 is true. How we'll get P of 1 is true? Just we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. What is LHS? LHS of a equation, that means left hand side of the equation. Equal to sign over here. Left hand side. That means this side. Left hand side of this equation. So, okay. And RHS. RHS, that means right hand side of the equal to. So just we have to prove LHS equal to RHS. At the end we got P of 1 is true and P of k is true and P of k plus 1 is true. Very simple chapter. We can study, we can learn this chapter easily compared to the other chapters in this mathematics subject. Okay, let us start. Yes. First of all, we have to know after the n value, before the n value. What we'll get after the n value? If the value is n, after the n, it will be adding by 1. It will be added by 1. N plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, like that it will continue. Before n, n minus 1, n minus 2, like that it is continuing in the side. Okay, all clear? As n, p, k or any alphabet, we can write it as like this. Okay, all clear? Let us start. N equal to 1, and here instead of n will be 1. Next step is p of 1. Just substitute 1 in the place of n, that's all. Here in LHS of the equation, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. plus 1 square. this number is ending at 1 square. That means 1 square will give this answer as 1 only. This is the LHS, right? RHS is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 into 1 plus 1, right? Divided by 6. Here 1 into, instead of n we are applying 1 over here. 1 plus 1 is 2 into 2 into 1 2. 2 plus 1, that is 3 divided by 6. We give 6 by 6, value equal to 1. See, LHS equal to RHS. LHS value is 1 and RHS value is 1. So, P of LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, P of 1 is true. Right? Here, LHS equal to RHS. So, P of 1 is true. Next step is to find out whether the P of K is true or not. K square, that is LHS. RHS is equal to, we'll get the answer as K into K plus 1 into 2K plus 1 divided by 6. Here we know that 1 square plus 2 square plus etc. K square is the answer as K into K plus 1 into 2K plus 1 divided by 6. See, these two terms are equal, right? Equation of this is also K into K plus 1 into 2K plus 1 by divided by 6. RHS also just applied K instead of N. So we'll get the same answer as RHS. So LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, P of K is true. Okay. P of 1 and P of K is very simple to prove. Next step is P of K plus 1. We are going to prove that P of K plus 1 is true. How will prove this P of K plus 1 is true? See, just apply K plus 1 instead of N over here. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. Plus here we know that K square, right? K square plus here only one thing that we know that after the K value, that is K plus 1, K plus 2, K plus 3 etc. After the K value there will be K plus 1, that is K plus 1 the whole square, right? Okay, just apply K plus 1 after the given expression. Okay, K plus 1 the whole square. K, instead of K we are writing K plus 1 the whole square. LHS, this is the LHS of this equation. So from this we know that 1 plus this value is K into K plus 1 into 2K plus 1 divided by 6 plus this value K plus 1 the whole square. That is the LHS value. LHS. Just see the LHS of this equation. K into K plus 1 into 2K plus 1 divided by 6 plus K plus 1 the whole square. It can be written as is equal to K into K plus 1 into 2K plus 1 plus just cross multiply the denominators. Here it is 1. 1 into this term is this term. 6 into K plus 1 the whole square. The whole divided by 6. Okay. From this, see, in this term K plus 1 is common and K plus 1 is also common. A plus 1 into, after K into 2K plus 1 plus 6K plus 1. right? Divided by 6. We'll get, see, in this term and in this term k plus 1 is common. So we can take k plus 1 as common. K plus 1 remaining k into 2k plus 1, right? Here we'll get 6 into only 1 k plus 1 taken as common. Here remaining 1 k plus 1, just write here and divide by 6. Next we are going to solve this equation like k plus 1 into, next just multiply this k on inside. It is 2k square plus k, okay, whole bracket, plus 6 into k plus 6 divided by 6. Okay. K plus 6k, that is 7k plus 6 divided by 6. Students, got this answer? K plus into 2k square plus 7k plus 6 by divided by 6. That is equal equation. To find out the root for this equation, just apply here 2k square plus 7k plus 6. Here b is the minus 7. Just divide by 2 into 2. We'll get the answer as minus 7 plus or minus root of 49 minus 4 into 2, 8 into 6, 48 divided by 4. That will be equal to minus 7 plus 1 divided by 4 will be equal to the root here as minus 7 plus 1 divided by 4 or minus 7 minus 1 by 4. We get the answer of k as k equal to minus 7 plus 1, that is minus 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, or k equal to minus 7 minus 1, that is minus 8 by 4, that will get as minus 2. So here from this we will get the value of k plus 3 by 2 equal to 0 or k plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, right. See here, just take the LCM. 2k plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So we can move this 2 to equal to after the equal to sign. Okay, 2k plus 3 equal to 0 into 2, that is 0. Okay, here we get the k plus 2 is equal to 0. Next, just apply this one, this factors. Multiplication of these factors will get the answer as this equation, right? So the factor of this equation, the factors of this equation are 2k plus 3 and k plus 2. This can be written as k plus 1 into, see, this factor as k plus 2 and 2k plus 3 divided by 6. Here we can write it as k plus 1. Okay. K plus 2 can be written as k plus 1 plus 1, right? Here we can write it as 2k plus 3. That means here we can write this term as 2k plus 2 plus 1, right? So 2 and 2 common over here. So we can write k plus 1 plus 1. So this term can be written as 2 into k plus 1 plus 1. So instead of 2k plus 3, we can write it as 2k plus 1 plus 1, right? Divided by, see, This is the LHS of this equation. Is this equal to the RHS? Just apply k plus 1 on RHS. Will get the same answer or not? RHS equal to apply k plus 1 instead of n. Here n k plus 1 plus 1 here. See 2 into k plus 1 plus 1 divided by 6. Is this the answer of LHS? Yes, these are same. So, LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, P of k plus 1 is true. All clear? I think you understood this session. Shall we do another problem? Yes. Here is another example, that is P of n equal to 1 divided by 1 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3 into 4, etc. 1 divided by n into n plus 1 is equal to n by n plus 1. The equation for this question is n by n plus 1. Okay. First of all, we have to find as n equal to 1, that is P of 1 is true, we are going to find. So, for that, put n equal to 1. Put P of 1 is equal to, see, instead of this one, 1 by 1.2 plus 1 by 2.3 plus up to n into n plus 1. That means 1 by 1 into 1 plus 1, that is 1 by 1 into 2 is equal to 1 by 2. This is the LHS of this equation. This is the LHS of this equation. Whether it will be equal to RHS or not, let's see. RHS is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1, that is 1 by 2. So, this is equal to LHS. Therefore, P of 1 is true. See, RHS equal to LHS. Here, we can say that P of 1 is true. Next, we are going to prove P of k is true. Here, for that we have to give the value of n as k. So, P of k is equal to, here we'll get as 1 by 1.2 plus 1 by 2.3, 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4 plus etc. plus 1 by k into k plus 1. Instead of n, we are going to put k. 1 by k plus 1. It is the LHS of this equation. We know that for this expression, having the value as k by k plus 1. So, it will be equal to k by k plus 1. So, we get the same answer as RHS. So, this is RHS. So, LHS equal to RHS. So, P of k is true. See, LHS of this P of k plus 1 is equal to 1 by 1 into 2 by 1 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4 plus etc. 1 by k into k plus 1. Till here, this is the P of k. We know that the next term will come as 1 by k plus 1 into k plus 2. Okay, all clear? For this term, we studied that this value k by k plus 1. K by k plus 1. Additionally, we gave this term only for k plus 1 because after the k value, we'll get the k plus 1 as the answer. So, next to P of k, the value will be come as 1 by k plus 1, k plus 2, right? Just write this expression as x k plus 1 into k plus 2. Okay. Take the LCM for this expression k plus equal to k by k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 plus 1 into k plus 1, that is k plus 1 the whole divided by k plus 1 into k plus 1 into k plus 2, k plus 1 into k plus 1 into k plus 2, right? Here k plus 1 are common in both the terms, so just take outside k plus 1 value, that is k plus 1 into remaining k into k plus 2 plus 1 divided by k plus 1. See students, k into k plus 1, k plus 2 plus k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. From this numerator we will get k plus 1 as common. Just take it outside. K into k plus 2, remaining k into k plus 2 plus 1 divided by k plus 1 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. Just cancel the k plus 1 on numerator and denominator. Remaining value will be k into k, that is k square, k into 2, that is 2k, remaining plus k square plus 2k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 into k plus 2. Here see, we can write it as, we know the expression of a plus b the whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. K square plus 2k plus 1 equal to k plus 1 the whole square divided by k plus 1 into k plus 2. Just cancel k plus 1 and here 1 k plus 1. We'll get the answer as k plus 1 divided by k plus 2. K plus 1 divided by k plus 2. This can be written as k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 plus 1. Okay, is it clear? Is it this same as the RHS value? Just check whether this LHS is equal to RHS. Here we are having the RHS as n by n plus 1. Just apply k plus 1 on n. So we give k plus 1 divided by n. N means k plus 1 over here plus 1. Is the same as the LHS of this equation? Yes, this will be equal to RHS. So here P of k plus 1 is true. All clear? This is a simple chapter. You can easily grab the methods of this chapter. Okay. I think you understood this session. Students, if you are having any doubt, please comment me. Please like my video. Subscribe my channel to get the further notifications. Thank you.